I've been asked to share some tips on how to prevent burnout. As this self-proclaimed queen of burnout, the person that somehow drives herself to working 70-hour weeks, doesn't take days off, type A personality, ridiculous overachiever, I feel I am qualified to provide my number one top tip on burnout prevention. What is this tip? I hear you ask. You really want to know this, especially people that are living in Sydney. We're all burning out here. The answer is to set boundaries. Yes, the simple B word. Learn and cultivate the art of boundary setting. Boundary up, folks. This may sound simple, but trust me, I have been working on this not even months, years. It is such a work in progress. I really struggle to say no, and I find myself taking on more and more and more. Slowly and insidiously, I start to burn out. So my number one tip is learn to say yes to yourself, no to others, and start setting and enforcing boundaries. I'm trying to do the same, folks.